Hey guys, so dami dire mag-prepare me sa among travel.
So we're having shopping now for our Hong Kong.
So they're preparing for their trip or our trip outfit. The
Yes.
OOTD girl. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. And I'm a little nervous because, baka mag-exist ako sa aking baggage kasi ang rami-rami ko outfit. Wow!
Ay, excited ka na? Excited ka na sa Hong Kong?
He is shy.
Hindi siya excited kasi hindi pa siya nabayaran. Maganda mga binayan.
You had to follow my channel because I'm gonna start vlogging in Hong Kong. Wow! So follow me!
Okay guys, papunta kami sa Halang-Halang.
Yeah, maghahalang tayo.
Joy, di halang-halang ang Iligan City.
Ano yung Tagalog sa Halang-Halang?
Anghang! Wow! Punta kami sa anghang-anghang.
Now we're going to...
Anong Tagalog sa Halang-Halang?
English mo naman.
Ay, sorry.
Soup number 5?
Let you guys know how are we going to mix halang-halang to make it more delicious.
Malibog ko mag-English
So we are like having our trip with a matching sound of music. Wow! It's like a Ferris wheel.
Halang-Halang. Na mag-turban na.
Anghang-anghang lagi.
Halang-Halang.
Dapat mag-tan kami sa'yo.
Papunta kami ngayon sa Halang-Halang. So anong Tagalog ng Halang-Halang?
Anghang-anghang.
English?
Spicy.
It's a combination of a dog, horse, and a baka. What's a baka?
What's a baka?
Yeah,
A cow.
cow.
A cow.
We're going to mix some of these spices and then that makes it more delicious. The dog. Right?
Dog?
Right,
Wala
the
mo yung dog.
That's their secret recipe. Dog and
No!
horse.
Wala.
They told me it's pork.
It's just a joke.
So papunta kami doon guys, Halang-Halang. I'm not sure if ano yung Tagalog ng Halang-Halang, but sabi nila ang hang daw. So sige, yun na lang.
Yes, it was also featured at Jessica Soho.
So galing kami, nag-meeting kami because they're very excited or we're very excited for our trip to Hong Kong. I mean Macau at Hong Kong.
We are very poor na.
Yeah.
We're out of budget. And one way of sourcing money is going to Plaza. And you're going to make an offer like this,
Yeah, what 150? Kuya 150.
Okay. My soulmate already,
Yeah. Guys, the reason also, one reason we're going to Hong Kong is we will be finding a soulmate for Ayan and Giselle.
Yes, we are broken and longing for something.
Yeah. So hoping that they'll find someone there. But long distance relationship. So okay mo na. Eh, basta naman nakita dito na Pinoy.
Lagi.
No?
Yeah?
I think they're very
Bagay may mga Pinoy doon. So
Yeah, lot.
like Catherine Bernardo.
makihalubilo sa tinatawin.
Yes.
Those
Sa
big
lahat ng
friendly.
Yeah, we just need to make friends there.
We're going to ask questions on how are they feeling there. How's life in Hong Kong? And then some of the tips for having savings for our trip.
Yes.
How exclusive.
The good thing is we've already booked some of our destinations or tourist attractions via Klook. So
Every traveler's weakness is what you call immigration.
yeah, yun guys. Especially yun yung napag-usapan namin, yung immigration.
Now we're here at St. Michael's College and Cathedral.
Yun yung napag-usapan namin guys, yung immigration. Grabe, yun yung nakakatakot kasi lahat kami
Traveler's
first
weakness.
time. It's our first time. So, Giselle, are you ready for the immigration?
Yes. I'm ready.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. This already.
Yeah. I'm a budget vlogger, so you have to follow me.
So guys, if gusto nyo mga OOTD, ito, expert.
Yeah, follow my YouTube channel at I Love Jessie.
Have you paid?
Whoa! Yeah, we've already paid. Guys, huwag nyo silang gayahin guys. Kasi tagal silang magbayad.
Give me 3 million.
Bleep.
It's just an expression. It means my God.
Sa mga Bisaya dyan, huwag na kayo mag-react. Kit, anto na, dito na kami. We're going. So we've already arrived at our destination, Dahalang-Halang.
We're going to eat halang-halang here. This is the poblacion of Iligan City.
So andito na kami, halang-halang.
Nagaling kong family bigyan.
Sumukaon magkukugalang-halang. So guys, ito yung halang-halang or yung sinasabi
This is
nila.
how are we going to make it more delicious.
Paano?
And put some lemon to make it aso-aso. Sige pa ngayon yan. Gabi ka lang.
Halang.
Bukod sa ilong. Pang libre cook yun, ha? TikTok. Juan.
Ronnie, ang gawin money. Itong bayan.
Nitro. So guys, nang libre ako ah.
Panalami ka ba na yung mga hidden charges?
So guys, sulit na sulit dito guys. Magkano to?
I don't know.
20 pesos?
No, 35. Nag-increase na sila. Tapos 10 pesos na rin.
35 pesos, tapos 10 pesos yung rice. So all in all, 45 pesos. Pero yung dati, makakabili ka nito ng 15 pesos lang dati.
Mahal, guys. Gusto ko magpansit ka pa sa tag-gis naman.
Grudges ka. Wala nito pansit ka.
Pili din, guys.
15.
Ah, 15 din, guys. Ako yung pag-change.
Nagko-compute sila kung magkano yung bayan.
So, we're struggling here, computing our cost.
So busog? Busog?
Yeah. Very full.
Okay guys, busog na busog kami guys. Ah, nakay-change.
Lagi, murag yun mo mga buang do. Gusto din money changer.
Guys, ito yung sponsor namin. Inchik siya guys. Ay, Korean, opa. Mayaman.
Saon na lang niya.
Pinakamayaman. Uy, dili siya. Sobrang mayaman.
Ay, of course.
Okay guys, so we're done. Tapos na kaming kumain and busog.
And our madam is very full.
Yes.
She only spent 45 pesos sa tumaangal pa siya doon.
Actually, yung halang-halang dito sa Iligan, dinadayo talaga to sa mga laseng. Mga turista. Turistang laseng.
Gamot sa
24 hours ba?
Yan ang resulta pag mahilig sa kape.
Yeah.
I-change ang voice ano ron niya.
Dinadayo talaga to ng turista, especially yung mga laseng. Pero I'm not sure kasi dati 24 hours pero I'm not sure if ngayon 24 hours pa ba.
Hindi na kasi may curfew.
Kaya nga may curfew na eh.
Tulad ngayon, no, 7 p.m. Oh no, it's already 8. Wala na masyadong tao sa lansangan.
Kaya nga.
Okay na gigit ako kung mga ano lang ato mastiyan na hotel na
Oh, okay naman.
Okay, very clean.
Pero guys, kailangan talaga natin makapasa muna sa immigration.
Nilak ko dahil.
What if no? Nay mabilin.
Walang wala. Wala.
My God. Kami na, this week na gid biya. Pag pila na ako kuan, paspasking panahon.
Oh my God. So, like, big stick on